Hey do-it-yourselfers, I'm here to show you how to drill some holes, tap some holes, so that you can make brackets and tie downs and whatever you want to do. I don't care, it doesn't matter. But this is for a brand new Ford Maverick, the 2023 version. It comes with these two holes here, but they're not tapped. So you gotta tap them if you want to mount something. I'm gonna tap a hole just so I can mount this bracket in there like that. And it's really easy to do, so just stay tuned and show you how quick and easy it is. The first thing you want to make sure is there's nothing down there like a gas tank that you can puncture into. As you can see, there's lots of room down there to play with. So first thing I'm going to do is re-drill this hole to 19/64. That way you can tap it with an M8 metric screw. Really easy. Better if it's sharp. Here you go. That part's easy. Now the tapping's not so easy. First of all, you need an M8 tap, 1.25 millimeter thread pitch. And unfortunately, you can't get a normal T-handle in here. So I'm gonna have to use the good old vice grips. So here we go. Starting these off is the most important part because you wanna make sure it is absolutely straight inside that hole. Once you get it started, it'll be easier to make these threads. Now once it gets started, you want to go down about half a turn and back up 3/4 of a turn. Maybe one turn just to be safe. Because the last thing you want to do is break a tap inside these holes. Okay, it's just now grabbing on. I can feel it cutting the threads. Now I can back it up and remove those loose threads. There we go. And I'm just going to keep on doing this until I get all the way through. And there you have it all the way through. Now I just take it back out again. I'm using smaller vice grips for this one. And just remove the tap. And there you have it. 2 tap holes to punch in a bracket to make whatever it is you want. As I found out later, you can actually tap this out to 3/8/16 threads if you want to use standard measurements. Anyways, that's it for now. Maybe I'll show you more later and show you when this rack is done. Bye.